Okay, guys. So first, 2nd December early unboxing. So here we go. Oh yeah, also I got a new bed. Had it since 2 days ago. Okay. Wow. Oh, here he is. Ah! Leatherface is here, ladies and gentlemen. Got him out of the bag. I'll be right back. I gotta check everything, then I'll come right back. Okay, guys. So just letting you guys know, this is a Loot Crate exclusive. I bought this just last week. Um, this was the old one from 1974, from 50 years ago. You can tell because the tan, the brownish, orangey tan Leatherface mask. But what's really weird, I paid $0 credit, which is obviously weird. Let's take the tag off. And I'm sorry if this unboxing plus review is going to be short, but anyway, let's take the tag off. In 3, 2, 1. Here's the tag. Again, this is a Loot Crate exclusive. Now let's review the plushie. Here he is. Pretty well detailed. This unboxing plus review is going to get 100 out of 100. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. And this is the 5th video I put out there, so yeah, sorry the unboxing was short, but anyway, like, comment, subscribe.